Yo, welcome back. I've got something special today. It's this review Ratchet Pex Cinch. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. First off, the craftsmanship, it is remarkably high-end. They used high-grade durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch, this offer won't last. See the deal in the bio, and secure yours at the best possible price today.